The goal of the renovations is to create spaces that will allow students to work in a space with equipment very comparable to what they will be using in the field. So if you have a broadcasting newsroom, there's going to be computers, a scanner, there's going to be TVs, everything that you would see in a broadcasting newsroom. That's the kind of space we want. Everything that a film student would see in a film studio, from a finishing suite, an editing bay, an actual studio. We are going to get as close to that as possible. We had another organization in here, advertising and public relations. They used to be a part of the School of Journalism and Broadcasting, but they were transferred up to the communications department. And we knew that they would be moving up to the communications department at some point. They finally got the space up there, and that left us with a lot of space that allowed us to expand and create rooms that were necessary in order for us to create a Bachelor of Fine Arts degree in film. We have to have very specific rooms in order to qualify for that program. We've gotten ideas from them, so it's not just a one-sided thing of a faculty member saying this is what I want. We've actually gotten input from a lot of different people. We've talked to the experts in various areas, such as in audiovisual, IT. They've given us some great ideas, and actually I think they've made it even better.